So today we're doing Chinese style fried chicken. Just 2 simple steps, super quick and easy. Tastes just like the restaurants and all families love it. Hey guys, I'm Kyle and let's get right into it. So first we start off with using our rice cooking wine. So that's to take away the freshness from the chicken. Instead of using like vinegar or anything like that, Chinese use cooking wine to kind of get that freshness out of the chicken. And then we have 2 packets. We have one with MSG and one without MSG, Chinese complete seasoning. I would prefer to use the one with MSG just because it has a lot more flavor and it tastes better. And there's a misconception that MSG is bad for you, but that's actually not true. It's not unhealthy for you. You can go do your research on it. So we add our seasoning, and you want to kind of massage the seasoning into the chicken and try to get under the skin, specifically on the skin, because when you fry the chicken, the skin kind of tightens up and it shrinks. So try to get that seasoning all over. And so there you go. We finished seasoning the chicken. It was just 2 ingredients, as I said, the cooking wine and the Chinese complete seasoning. The seasoning actually has about 11 different ingredients in it compared to like 5 spice. I think it's a great mixture from Since's that you just add onto chicken. And yeah, that's all it takes. To plate the chicken, I'm gonna add a little twist on it. We're gonna use shrimp crackers. I don't know if any of you know shrimp, but shrimp crackers, when you add them to oil, they kind of poof up. So first you want to check if the oil is ready. So you can do that by sticking in a pair of bamboo chopsticks and see if it's bubbling. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bubbling quite a bit, so that means the oil is ready. Add your crackers. That should be fine. And you want to kind of like toss it around with a strainer. Just wait for it. It shouldn't take long at all, like that's basically almost done already. And then when they're done, just pick it up and shake out all the oil. Another thing is you want to have the oil super hot because you don't want the oil to absorb into the chicken or any food that you cook. So we put the crackers to the side and now we have the chicken. So let's pick up the chicken. Our oil is already hot, so we can just go in straight like this. Always put it away from you. Don't burn this out. And we're gonna take our chopsticks, get it all in there. And just let that chicken cook there. Oh. Okay, so we just took the chicken out of the wok, from frying, and we're just gonna let it rest for a little bit before we cut it up. Okay, so now it's been about 5-6 minutes resting, and we mainly want to let it rest just because so it locks in the moisture and also so the skin stays a little bit crispy. So let's start. First you want to find the bone where it separates, so right there, and slice that leg right off. And then I put my apron on because it's about to get messy, so get that last piece. Okay, now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. Let's try it. Cheers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That complete seasoning. Not missing anything. That has everything. Oh yeah, perfect. And there you go, now it's your turn. You try the recipe and leave a comment down below and let me know how it goes.